Hey friends! Today we're going on an amazing journey, the journey of water in nature. Get ready to explore the magical water cycle. When the sun shines on water in lakes, rivers, and oceans, it warms up and turns into tiny water droplets that rise into the sky. This is called evaporation. As the water droplets rise higher, the air gets colder and they come together to form clouds. This process is called condensation. When clouds get too heavy, the water falls back to the earth as rain, snow, or hail. This is called precipitation. The water returns to lakes, rivers, and oceans, or it soaks into the ground to become groundwater. This part of the journey is called collection. And guess what? The water cycle never stops. The sun keeps heating the water, forming clouds, making rain, and the journey starts all over again. Wow, now you know how water travels all around us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time.